Now next lecture is lecture number 19, P block element, subtopic elements of fourth A group. Now this is the periodic table. Now this indicate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 18. These are the group number, whereas from top to bottom they are periods. Now there are total 7 periods in periodic table and 18 groups in periodic table. So these are the periodic table which include right side P block elements. It shows 3 colors, blue, yellowish and grey, because these are showing different types of nature. Some are metal, some are non-metal, some are metalloids. Now this is the outline of periodic table. Now here is our interested element, that is a P block element. Now these are D and these F. Actually the position of a block element include in a periodic table, but for sake of convenient study they are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. Now let's see introduction of fourth A group elements. Now fourth A group elements also called as a 14th elements. 14. फोर्थ ए ग्रुप 14वे एलिमेंट्स 14 ग्रुपचे एलिमेंट्स म्हणून सुद्धा ओळखले जातात. Now this fourth A group element consists total 5 elements which is started from carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Carbon is the first member of this family, so therefore this group also known as a carbon family. The general electronic configuration of fourth A group element is Ns2Np4, that is total 4 electrons are present in the valence shell. The another name, or they are also known as a crystallogens. Now this is the electronic configuration of fourth A group elements. Carbon having atomic number 6, helium that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, that is total 6 electron. Similar to that, silicon having atomic number 14, neon which is a 10 atomic number, 10, 2 12 आणि 2 14, germanium 32 which include argon as a 0 group element, 4s2, 4p2 and so on. Now if you see that electronic configuration of fourth A group elements, it is indicate that there is only change in principal quantum number, that is valence shell. Number is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But number of electron in valence shell is the same. All these elements contain 4 electron in their valence shell, and that's why they are included in a fourth A group element. So for group number is related with the number of electron present in the valence shell. Now let's see graduation in periodic property. First periodic property is atomic and ionic size. Atomic and ionic size of this group element from top to bottom, it is increases. Again, this is because of addition of a new energy shell at each step. We had already seen that each step there is a new shell get added, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So this is due to interfering of D and F electron. That is, at the bottom there is addition of D and F electron going to be started, which do not shield the nuclear charge effectively, and because of this the nuclear charge reach up to the last valence electron, which get pulled towards the nucleus and hence not shield the inner electrons. I will repeat again, due to the interfering of D and F electron which do not shield the valence shell effectively from nuclear charge and affect the irregularity in increase in atomic size. That means irregularity in increase in atomic size is not seen when we travel from top to bottom. This is because of interfering of D and F electron. That is from carbon to silicon the increase is regular one, but after one, that is from silicon to germanium and stannous to Pb, it is comparatively small. It is because of a inert pair effect. टॉप टू बॉटम ट्रॅव्हल होताना ॲटॉमिक साईज इन्क्रीज होते, परंतु ही इन्क्रीज रेग्युलरली पाहायला मिळत नाही. याचं रिझन आहे ॲडिशन ऑफ एफ अँड डी अँड एफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, जे की न्यूक्लिअर चार्ज प्रॉपरली हेल्ड करत नाही. त्यामुळं यांच्या प्रेझेन्समुळं आपल्याला इरेग्युलॅरिटी इन ॲटॉमिक साईज ऑब्झर्व होते, म्हणजे शेवटचे एलिमेंट स्लाइटली स्मॉल साईज दाखवतात. त्याला आणखीन एक रिझन आहे द इनर पेअर इफेक्ट. Now second one, ionization energy. All of you know that ionization energy is nothing but amount of energy required to remove last valence electron. It is decreases from top to bottom, that is from carbon to Pb. But again, this is not regular one. This is again because of a inert pair effect. That is again filling of d and f electrons. Now, third property is electronegativity, tendency to pull shared electron pair towards itself. Now, within these 5 elements, carbon is the most electronegative element, whereas carbon is the most electronegative element, and onward, that is beyond carbon, this electronegativity value decreases. Again, this decrease is not regular one, reason is the same. Now, next point, oxidation state. Oxidation state is nothing but net positive or net negative charge on the atom when it is combined when it is in a combined state. That is called as a oxidation state. General electronic configuration of fourth group element is Ns2 and P2. That is 4 electrons present in the valence shell. So therefore, these elements show +4 as a common oxidation state. Along with +4, some of the elements such as germanium and sorry, this is not Si. Yes, Si exist in a +2 oxidation state, and but this oxidation state is not a stable one, and hence they are acting as a, because of unstable oxidation state, they are acting as a strong reducing agent. What is mean by reducing agent? Which forces other to received electron and itself get oxidized. Tin show stable +4 oxidation state within the compound SnCl4 and +2 in a SnCl2, whereas Pb show +4 oxidation state, stable one, and these are acting as a strong oxidizing agent. Now, next property is metallic character. Metallic character increases from top to bottom in this group. So carbon is acting as a non-metal, silicon is a metallide, germanium, tin and leads are acting as a metal. So metallic character increases from top to bottom. First member acting as a non-metal, middle member acting as a metallide, whereas the last member of this group acting as a metal. Now these are the picture of these elements. Carbon look like this way. Silicon, which is having somewhat shining, germanium more shining than silicon, tin like this one, and lead is this one. So these are the pictures of these elements. Now if we see the overall view of these 4th group elements, what we observe, the element in group 4th divided into 3 classes. First class is a non-metal, that is carbon, which is a carbon one. Silicon and germanium, which are acting as a semi-metals, that is metallides. And tin and leads, which are acting as a metal. So these are divided into 3 classes, which that non-metal, metalloids and metals. Group 4th of the periodic table is often referred as a carbon group. They are always called as a carbon family, carbon group family. Each element in this group contains 4 valence electron, Ns2 and P4. A unique feature of this group is that the element can form different anions and cations. That means they are able to show +4 as well as -4 oxidation state. So showing both types, that is cationic nature as well as anionic nature, depending upon the neighboring situation. Carbon form -4 anion, whereas silicon and germanium form +4. As it is a non-metal, carbon is a non-metal, tendency to accept electron, hence carbon showing -4. These are tendency to donate electron, hence this showing silicon, germanium showing +4, that is cationic state. Tin and lead can even, along with +4, they are able to show +2 oxidation state, that is +2 cationic nature. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Again, I will repeat, go through videos which are available on the internet. You can get clear idea.